Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of how to fix Omnipod Dash PDM would not turn on. So the Omnipod Dash is a reliable device for managing diabetic, but sometimes it shows some issues wherein PDM would not turn on. So let's dive into the solutions to how to fix this issue. So the first solution is check the battery. Ensure the battery is properly inserted and verify the battery is functioning. Try taking the battery out and putting it back into the ensure a proper connection for optimal performance. Solution 2. Clean the charging port. If the PDM is not turning on, cleaning the charging port can help as it may be prone to closing. Use a small instrument like a stitch ripper to gently clean the port, ensuring proper contact for charging, and be careful not to damage the ports while cleaning to maintain its functionality. Solution 3. Reset PDM. Navigate to setting icon and here you will see PDM device and then reset PDM. If you have any active pod, tap deactivate pod, then tap deactivation pod again. And then tap reset PDM and then tap reset PDM again to delete your current user setting. Solution 4. Contact support. So, if none of the above steps work and your Omnipod Dash PDM still would not turn on, it's best to reach out the Omnipod customer support. They have the expertise to guide you through the more advanced troubleshooting or arrange for a replacement if needed. So that's all for this video. I hope this video is helpful to you. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Goodbye.